Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So I'm here to teach you how to use Google Maps offline. For example, you're on a quest, you're traveling, and you're preparing your maps because you know that there is poor reception on that specific area you're going to. Now with this one, please open your Google Maps. If you don't have one, it should be like this. Just download one on the App Store over here, okay? Just search Google Maps and then this should be the app that you want to download. Now click on open. And also it just works like exactly how the Apple Map works. So in here, for example, let's just look for a certain area that I want to capture offline. You heard me right, we're just gonna capture online. You can either screenshot, that's the first step, and the second step is basically, for example, this one. I'm gonna download this offline. How to do that? As you can see, there are three places right here, right? This is the option to choose terrain, satellite, or default. So since I want to use the satellite version, I'm good here right now. Next step is clicking on your profile, your name, your photo, and click on offline maps right there. Now you're gonna have an option to download the preset one or select your own map. And as you can see right here, you can just zoom in or download any map right here that covers this specific frame. Now as you can see, download may take up to 30 MB of your free space. That being said, you can either delete it later on. Now if you have satisfied your area to download, just click on download right here and you should be good to go. For example, this one right here, turn on notifications, get notified when the app is finished, and then since it's complete, let's check it out. And as you can see right here, the application or the map has been downloaded offline. That being said, that's how you use Google Maps offline. Thank you so much for watching and please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Have a safe one.